you diverting back to Kozak?
For at the moment we are descent and we will see when we're losing the ice, probably we will continue, okay?
Okay.
November 9005 Zulu, Turkish 83 Juliet, on guard.
Turkish 83 Juliet, November 9005 Zulu, go ahead.
Reykjavik control relay to traffic, Cessna 182. She's flying from Greenland to Iceland.
Yeah, we depart from Kozak to Iceland. For at the moment we maintain 1,000 feet over ocean.
This is the true story of two Polish pilots flying over the Atlantic Ocean in Cessna 182. But let's begin here.
Bomb cyclone that is threatening Europe with winds as strong as 100 miles per hour tonight and tomorrow. And you can see these strong winds that make their way into France, just into, southern portions of the UK. The UK Met Office and even the meteorological service out of France has put out these alerts, violent wind warning, structural damage.
Some new video just coming in from Ireland. The jet stream racing across the northeast and into the Atlantic is actually fueling now a powerful storm. They're calling it Kieran. Ireland is already seeing heavy rain ahead of the storm's arrival.
Anticipating power outages, and they're just staying people to hunker down as long as you can as the storm comes through.
Kieran is also affecting weather in Greenland, and we are racing against it. But let us start with a leg before. Same day approach to Kozak.
Final 10, November 9005 Zulu.
No reported traffic on A10 and 090, magnetic 28 knots, maximum 44, minimum 20.
Copy, November 9005 Zulu.
On ground 21.
Copy, November 05 Zulu.
Okay guys, we have landed in Kozak, but the weather is so bad that one of us has to stay in the plane because the plane is just bumping around. We don't want to leave it, with no weight inside. So I'm gonna go pee, and Dominic later on. What the fuck? Just ice falling off the plane because we got pretty badly iced, and I guess the way to Reykjavik is not gonna be
Much different.
We will start Tuesday part. We see. The ground is just crazy.
It's like that. That's the weather.
November 9005 Zulu. After startup, ready for taxi.
November 9005 Zulu, runway in use 10 and 090, magnetic 31 knots, QNH 1007 and time 17 on the hour and a half, and traffic information and clearance whenever you wish. Copy.
QNH 1007, runway 10, ready, copy, clearance, no traffic, November 9005 Zulu.
And the route is a different than your flight plan, so be ready.
Yeah, go ahead.
From FIC Nuuk, no IFR traffic reported for your climb in uncontrolled airspace. And Reykjavik ATC clears November 9005 Zulu to Reykjavik, direct Narmo. It's November Alpha Romeo Mike Oscar.
So, Reykjavik clears for November 9005 Zulu to Narmo. Okay, copy, and we taxiing to runway 10 on November 9005 Zulu. And departure from runway 10, November 9005 Zulu.
090 magnetic 27 knots, maximum 37, minimum 21. Zaczynamy zakręcać. November 5 Zulu Airborne 05 and report maintaining flight level 110 block 130.
Copy, I call you maintain flight level 110 block 130, November 9005 Zulu.
Lodzi.
Ależ kurwa. Coś patrzę, przez prawą szybę mam. Kozak information, November 9005 Zulu.
November 5 Zulu, Kozak Avis, go ahead, sir.
Yeah, request the latest cloud base in Kozak.
Yes, latest cloud base Kozak is scattered at 1,500 feet and broken at 2,500 feet.
Copy. Now we have the icing and we descend at 2000, November 9005 Zulu. And what is the temperature?
Temperature is 4 and dew point 1. So are you diverting back to Kozak?
For at the moment we are descent and we will see at 2000 when we're losing the ice, probably we will continue, okay?
Okay, and keep me updated.
Of course. Descent 2000.
November 9005 Zulu, Turkish 83 Juliet, on guard.
Turkish 83 Juliet, November 9005 Zulu, go ahead.
Reykjavik control relay to traffic Cessna 182. Inform them the 118.1 frequency. She's flying from Greenland to Iceland.
Yeah, we depart from Kozak to Iceland. For at the moment we maintain 1,000 feet over ocean. When the condition permit, we climb higher and we call November 9005 Zulu.
Understand, you are climbing and you are flying from 1,000 to higher, Turkish 83 Juliet.
Affirmative, sir. Turkish.
Dobra. Nie, na razie jeszcze nie. Jeszcze.
Tak jest. Już cały czas woda z niego leci.
O, wywaliło mnie. Dobrze, bardzo fajnie.
O, no. Jeszcze
te może, wiesz?
Number 9005 Zulu, wind 0908 at 10 knots, runway 13, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 13, November 9005 Zulu.
Ja, tak. but I wasn't flying. I wasn't the pilot flying. 2 legs, 1 Greenland, 1 Iceland. Departure.
Yeah, I think we go down, losing the ice. Yeah, was interesting.
Interesting. 700 feet above the Atlantic Ocean. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. We're tired.
See ya.
If you like the material, subscribe for more of the journey. Feel free to follow me and Dominic on Instagram. Also, I want to thank you too. And here it is, explanation of communication relay.